Hey, what's going on, guys? Luna and I want to remind you that it is almost Christmas time, so if you haven't picked up your gifts yet, we do have this sweet t-shirt. So not only do you get the t-shirt, I mean, that's like the very beginning of this, you also get a chance to win any lift kit from Rough Country up to $2,500. So just take the link that's in the description, send it to your mom, and tell her that this is what you want. All jokes aside, this is the Custom Offsets Rough Country giveaway t-shirt, and you really can get entered to win any lift kit from Rough Country up to $2,500, which means you can get the Vertex coilover systems. Here's the front. Here's the back. The back's very simple. We got the Custom Offsets flag on the sleeve, Rough Country on the other sleeve there. If you want to get one, there's only 1 week left. So we're shutting this down next Monday. So you got to come out to customoffsets.com/giveaway. That's where you're going to find the shirt. That's where you can get automatically entered to win. So go ahead and check the link out. Or like I said, just send it to your mom, your aunt, your grandma, your grandpa, your dad, anybody, and tell them that this is the shirt that you want. Also, at the end of this, we're making a donation to the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, which is something that hits really close to home for us. We're super excited that we've already raised a ton of money for those guys. So every shirt that you buy, you're gonna help us make a larger donation. So thank you very much if you already got one. If you haven't yet and you wanna help out, come to the website, grab the shirt. Not only do you get the cool shirt, you still get entered to win the lift kit, and you help us make that donation. So check it out. We put the links in the description for you. Peace.